Hello, everybody. Today we are going to write a letter to our inner child. Now, before even starting the letter, I want to first explain a few benefits, okay? You know, there is a child inside each one of us. While growing up, our parents, our guardians, they did their perhaps best, okay, with the knowledge and awareness that they had. But the child has absorbed a lot of messages, and because of those messages that are stored in the subconscious mind of the child, today they act as blocks in moving forward in life, in achieving goals. Okay. So now, by writing a letter to our inner child, what we are really doing is we are connecting with that part of you that perhaps is believe something that's not helping you today in life. Okay. So this is like a cute little technique or a therapy that always works, okay? Do give it a genuine shot, of just sitting peacefully and writing the letter. And if you are doing it today here with me, I am so grateful that you're choosing to work on yourself so beautifully. So people generally have a lot of emotions, going internally, and they are not even aware of it. So they don't have the gift of self-awareness. But if you're listening to this, I am telling you, you are moving from self awareness to self compassion. You're going a step forward and saying, you know what? I agree. There are certain patterns inside of me that are not helping me thrive and succeed in my life, in my relationships, in my work, in my career. But I'm willing to work on myself. I'm willing to genuinely, love myself and have compassion for that inner child. And I'm willing to write this letter and connect to that part of me. So what happens is now the self-criticism, the critical voice that's always inside of you that's saying you can't do this, you can't move forward, you can't make that relationship work, you can't hit that goal in your career. That self-criticism, after writing the letter, begins to melt down and turn into self respect. You become more aware that you're carrying certain beliefs, certain, you know, influence that's still there in your life today. So it's so important that you separate your identity from the painful childhood experiences. And the best benefit of writing the letter to your inner child comes from having a high self esteem. It comes where you're saying, you know what? No matter what has happened, I love myself enough and I care myself enough to grow myself into this person today. You release the shame, you accept yourself, you accept all your flaws beautifully. You create a strong sense of emotional safety within yourself. And you're less dependent on seeking approval from other people. And there are these limiting beliefs like I'm not good enough or I don't deserve success. Trust me, by writing the letter to the inner child on regular basis, you drop those beliefs out of your system. You strengthen your confidence and you pursue the goals that are out of your reach. And you become more hopeful about your future. The best thing that happens by writing a letter to your inner child is that the relationship that you have with your own self begins to grow, that begins to strengthen and deepen, that begins to take you in the direction of making your dreams come true. So are you ready? Would you like to write the letter with me? Then grab a glass of water, take your notebook and pen, sit peacefully in a sit in a space where there is no disturbance for next 20 minutes, and enjoy writing this letter to your inner child. One small request: if you have a picture of your childhood, perhaps when you were 2, 4, 5, please get it out. Take a print out of it, keep it in front of you while you're writing this. It just helps you connect with that little you on a more deeper level. So come on, let's start writing this now. I want you to take a deep breath and write down, my dear inner child, come closer. I want to tell you something that you have not heard before. I want to genuinely tell you that I love you. I really, really, really love you. You are safe now. You are enough now. And you know what? You've always been enough. Nothing was ever missing in you. The opinions of others never defined your value. The disappointments that you went through in your life, they did not reduce your worth. The painful chapters of your life do not have to become your identity. You're so, so, so deeply loved by God. You're worthy of love. You're worthy of respect. You're worthy of abundance. You're worthy of great health. You're worthy of genuine friendships. You're worthy of a joyful, happy relationships. You're worthy of extraordinary success. You're worthy of financial freedom. You do not have to earn your worth. You already have it. From today, I choose to speak to you with love and kindness. I will no longer criticize your body. I will not compare you to anyone else. I will not let you feel that you're left behind in life. Instead, I will remind you every day that you are beautiful, you are growing, you're healing, you're learning, and you're becoming stronger and stronger. I believe in you. I believe in your dreams. I believe that you can live a life beyond what most people think is not possible. You are capable of creating great value in the world. You are capable of building wealth with honesty and wisdom. You are capable of leading with confidence. You are capable of writing books, doing great things in life that actually touch so many other people's lives. You're capable of living your passions, starting that business, doing what you genuinely love to do. You are capable of building a global community that inspires hope and faith. You are capable of becoming financially abundant because your gifts can genuinely serve many people. You are capable of looking and feeling your best by caring for your body with love, patience, and consistency. You are capable of becoming your best version. You're capable of becoming stronger and more radiant. You're capable of learning new skills. You're capable of making wise decisions. You're capable of handling success with humility. You're ready to receive the opportunities that match your preparation. You're ready to let go of fear. You're ready to let go of self doubt. You're ready to let go of old stories that no longer belong to you, my girl. You do not have to shrink to make others comfortable. You do not have to prove your worth. You simply have to be faithful to life that God has placed before you. Come on, walk forward with courage. Dream boldly. Work diligently. Trust God completely. One decision at a time, one prayer at a time, one act of courage at a time. Your future is not determined by your past. It is shaped by the choices you make today and by God's faithful guidance. I will stand beside you now and forevermore. I will protect you. I will encourage you. I will celebrate every step that you take. I will never, ever abandon you. You are loved, you're worthy, you're beautiful, you're capable, you're resilient, you're successful, and you're becoming the woman God created you to be. And I cannot wait to see how all of this unfolds in your life. With all my love, your future self. Now, if you've written this letter, I'm telling you, this is the first big, beautiful, wonderful step that you have taken to connect with your own self. It's the greatest benefit of writing this letter is that you stop treating yourself like a frightened child who experienced pain and you start caring for yourself as a capable adult that you're becoming. You know, just by continuously writing these letters, when you start connecting with yourself, when that internal shift begins to happen, you know, you'll begin to think differently, you'll begin to feel differently, you'll begin to act differently. And all of this is going to move you in the direction of your goals. So, I really highly recommend this exercise of writing the letter to your inner child. It is truly life changing. So good luck with that. Lots of love, Sonia.